Hi, I'm Fukuda, CEO of Wonder Future Corporation. We are a Japanese technical venture company and we are celebrating our 10th anniversary this year. Our motto is Let us unleash Monozukuri. Monozukuri is a Japanese combination word. Mono means product and zukuri means manufacturing. However, Monozukuri is not just product manufacturing, but it also includes the process, system, and spirit of our Japanese developers to create each product. First of all, what is IH reflow? Let's take the soldering you know as an example. Soldering is the process of contact heating with a high temperature soldering iron to melt the solder. On the other hand, in the right clip, our IH reflow is an epoch-making mounting technology that can be heated in this way. Instantly, damageless, spot, non-contact, and 100% yield. Component mounting is possible. I will explain the principle of IH reflow. Basically, it is the same as an IH cooking heater at home. And when an alternating current is passed through the coil, a magnetic flux line is generated. The mechanism of the IH cooking heater is that the heat is transferred to the metal pot above, and the ingredients are boiled. In our IH reflow, metal terminals are the target. Taking advantage of these characteristics, by instantly heating the metal terminals and completing the soldering, we have made it possible to perform damageless soldering on the film, which is a low heat resistant base material. This property can also be used to even solder on high heat dissipation substrates, such as ceramics, glass, and large electric components. The best feature of IH reflow is that you can freely set the temperature profile. Here is the temperature profile of the solder reflow oven. A stage is set up to blow the flux to the melting point of the solder, and the temperature is raised in about 6 minutes. In our IH reflow, by adjusting the output of the high-frequency power supply, it is possible to heat up to the same temperature in a few seconds. This makes it possible to supplement the weaknesses of solder reflow and ACF, which are existing mounting method, and to consider mounting method as an alternative to laser and hand soldering processes. If you use IH reflow for upstream design, you will be able to use base materials and parts that could not be used before, and your monozukuri manufacturing will have abundant choices in its design. This is our business model. We started as a venture to develop 3D plastic touch panel. As a method of connecting the panel and FPCB, the conventional ACF cannot be used because it requires heat and pressure. Therefore, it is IH reflow technology that we have discovered and made it into a device. In the future, we will focus on two businesses. First is the sale of IH reflow machines. With this as the standard machine, we will prepare ones for experimental purposes. FDS single-fed mass machines that are closer to mass production machines and robots equipped with IH reflow heads. In addition, we are currently developing the world's first mini LED and high-density mounting board repair device with IH reflow technology. And another business model is IH-EMS. IH-EMS is a solution created as a result of considering whether IH reflow, a technology that is unfamiliar to everyone, can be used in our daily lives. First of all, by soldering LEDs on a pet board, we developed our own original LED signage, FDS, which is extremely thin and light, flexible, 3D, and transparent. Furthermore, we are currently launching this solution. It is an IHEMS realized through collaboration between 3 companies. For a variety of applications, customers can try IH Reflow with minimal initial investment and reach mass production with a one-stop solution. Sakata Inks Corporation, one of the largest printing ink companies and has invested in us, develops wiring printing materials and conductive adhesive materials, and conducts sales and marketing jointly with us. In addition, it is possible to maximize sales and profits by performing monozukuri using IH Reflow at Seeks Corporation, which is a group company of Sakata and the largest EMS in Japan. After narrowing down the problems with the scheme, we will expand our business with various manufacturers. Ultimately, by applying this scheme to other ventures and other technologies, we would like to contribute to commercialization and social implementation, which can be said to be the biggest barriers of Japanese startup companies. In October of last year, we closed Series A with an investment from Toyota Gosei. With "Let us unleash monozukuri" as our motto, we will continue to contribute to the revitalization of the manufacturing field in Japan and the formation of a post-COVID society. We are now hoping to collaborate with businesses who will spread this technology to the world, as well as VCs and CVCs who can help us raise Series B funding. If you would like to cooperate with us, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you for watching.